In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add and use the Dank Memer Discord bot in your server. Start by heading to the Dank Memer website. We will include a link in the description. Click the Invite Now button. Use the drop menu to select your server. Continue. Adjust the permissions if you like, leaving them should be fine. Authorize. Verify that you're human. Switch to your Discord server and Dank Memer will now be added. Go to a text channel that Dank Memer has access to. Type "Please help" with a space, then send the message. You will then see a menu with all of the commands you can use. The drop menu can be used to select the type of command, and the arrows will allow you to navigate through the pages of commands. These commands can also be found on the command page on the Dank Memer website. All Dank Memer commands use the prefix "please" as in PLS. Be sure to include a space before the command name. Next, we will want to make sure that Dank Memer can only be used in specific text channels. Type "please, disable all," and send the message. Next, type "please, enable all" followed by the channel name you want Dank Memer to use. Dank Memer commands will now only work in your selected channel. Alternatively, you can use channel settings to stop Dank Memer from being able to access the channels. Right-click on a channel you don't want Dank Memer to use. Select Edit Channel. Go to Permissions. Expand the Advanced Permissions. Click the plus icon. Add Dank Memer, either the role or member will work. Disable View Channel. Save and close. Repeat this for all channels you don't want Dank Memer to be used in. This method will also stop the bot from showing up in the members list for these channels. The most common Dank Memer commands are the currency and memes. Currency is separated into two groups: money in your pocket and money in your bank. Your bank has a limit on how much money can be kept inside. The amount of money you can store in your bank goes up as you earn XP. XP is earned by using currency commands. Please balance will check your coin balance. Please balance followed by a username will tell you the user's balance. Please gamble followed by an amount will gamble some of the coins in your pocket. The minimum to gamble is 50. Please steal followed by a username will attempt to steal some money from the person's pocket. If you get caught, you will lose money. Please bank rob followed by a username will allow you and other server members to attempt to rob a user's bank balance. If caught, you can lose some of your money or die. The more users that join in on a heist, the higher the chance of success. Please beg will beg the bot for some money. Please work list shows you a list of jobs and how many coins you can earn from them every hour. Each job has a minigame that must be completed to earn the Dank Memer currency. Please work followed by a job title will give you that job. Please work will play the minigame for your current job so you can earn some currency. Please daily will allow you to claim a free amount of Dank Memer currency once a day. Please inventory will show you all of the items you own. Please shop will show you the items you can buy with your Dank Memer currency. Please deposit followed by a number will move money from your pocket to your bank. You can also use Please Deposit All to move all of your money into the bank. Please Withdraw will allow you to take money out from your bank account. Money in the bank account is safer and harder for other server members to steal. If you want to protect yourself from being robbed, then you can use the command Please Settings Passive True. This will also prevent you from being able to steal from other players. You can then turn passive mode off using Please Settings Passive False. When it comes to memes, there are several Dank Memer commands that you can use. The most popular being Please Meme, which will post a random meme. Please Joke will post a funny joke. Please Comics will post a comic-style image in the chat. Please Wholesome will post a warm-hearted wholesome meme. The Dank Memer game commands allow you to play simple games in your Discord server with friends. Connect 4 can be played by typing Please Connect 4 followed by the user you want to play against. A game of tic-tac-toe can be started using Please Tic-Tac-Toe followed by the user you want to play with. You can also play Rock, Paper, Scissors using Please RPS, then the user you want to play against. At any point, you can disable commands or categories from being used in your server. This will help stop any unwanted content from being shared, or can stop users from stealing Dank Memer currency. To disable a command or category, type "Please disable," then the command or category name in lowercase. Commands can be re-enabled using "Please enable," then the name of the command or category in lowercase. If you die with Dank Memer, you will keep all of the money in your bank, but lose between 50 and 100% of the money in your pocket. You will also lose up to 3 items picked randomly in any random amount of quantity. Fortunately, there are items that you can buy from the shop that will prevent you from losing anything if you die. An active lifesaver will prevent a user from dying and can be bought from the shop using "Please buy lifesaver." Apples can also be consumed for protection over a 24-hour period. Apples are much cheaper, however, you may still lose some coins. Dank Memer will now be set up in your Discord server and running.